Sweetie, what you doing? What are you making? And you're painting your hands. What are you making here? What's this going to be?
Okay.
An airplane. Does the tail, I think the tail needs some paint. You're going to put more paint on the tail? There you go. Alright. Does it need more paint or is it done? What about the bottom of the wing? Oh, look, how about this side? This side could use some paint too. Get some more in your brush. Can I put some stamps? Can I put some stamps, baby? Can I put some stars?
Yeah.
What are you doing? Why are you painting your hand, my love? Do you know you're a silly head? Does the wing need more paint on this side? Alright, where'd the tail go? Uh-oh, you dropped the tail. I'll get it. Mama get it. Mama get it, baby. Okay. Do you are done with paint, or you need more paint on your airplane? Or do you want some paper to paint on?
No.
You want some paper? Why are you painting yourself? You're silly.
Mama.
Yeah, Mama has some paint on her too, doesn't she?
Paint.
Are you going to paint Mama? You paint Mama? Why are you painting Mama? Oh, pretty, pretty. Thank you. Thank you. What are you oh dear. What are you painting? You're painting your head. What else have you painted? That's hard to open. Let me see your tummy. Did you paint your tummy?
Okay.
Are you all done?
Paint.
What do you think we're going to do now? What do you think we should do now, baby? You think perhaps we should take a... I think we should take a bath. Let's go take a bath.
No.
Oh, yeah. Oh, yeah. Look at you. Do you want bubbles or no bubbles? Do you want bubbles or no bubbles? Okay, no bubbles. Let's go take a bath and no bubbles.
Poopy.
You are poopy. Yes, we'll clean your poopy off first. Yeah, get your poopy off and then toss you in the tub. Let's go.